Hey everyone! So I'm going to do a dirty pour today on an 11 by 14 canvas, and I'm going to be using Grumbacher Prussian Blue and Grumbacher Prussian Blue with the iridescent medium from Artist Loft mixed in, Lucas Yellow Ochre, Craft Smart Gold Metallic, and Black. So I just wanted to keep it simple with just a few colors, just so you can see how to place colors with a dirty cup. So I'll probably use 3 small cups of paint, just because I like to place color where I want it, and having more cups of paint just gives you a little more variety. So I'm going to take 3 7-ounce cups, but I will not fill them all the way. I will spray them with the WD-40 silicone spray. Try not to spray over your canvas. You don't want to get that on your canvas. It will repel the paint. And I'm going to start with some black. I don't have a lot, so I'll just put a little bit in here. And I always follow that with a metallic, so I am going to follow that with the gold metallic. And then the yellow ochre. The Grumbacher Prussian Blue. And then the Grumbacher Iridescent. And just to separate those layers, let's put just a tad of white on there. And we'll start again with some black. If I can get some out of here. She's empty. And some gold. You don't want a lot of black anyway, because sometimes it will take over. Yellow ochre. Grumbacher Prussian Blue. And the Artist Loft Iridescent mixed with the Grumbacher. I will give those a little swirl. And we'll set them off to the side. Bring our canvas back. And I'm going to start pouring. It is very hot here today. The AC will not stop. See, by adding that blue with the yellow ochre, we did get a little green, which I knew we would. That's why I tried to keep it simple with just a few colors. I do want to put one little bit here of this cup, then I'll save the rest and do some tiles. Because we have plenty of paint there. Blew out another torch. It seems like when I do resin work, I blow out a torch, so I'll have to remember to use my heat gun more. So I'm just popping the air bubbles. I'm just going to move it around and try to connect all those gaps. Get rid of some of this blue here on the corner. going to just stretch that right out. Give me something of interest. Got some lacing going on. Checking my corners and my sides. So I look like I have a strained pull there on the paint. I'm going to run a ribbon through. Let me wipe my hands first. So I saved that paint in the cup, which was good. And I'm going to run a ribbon from here through here. And I will let that set for a minute, and then I will stretch it. Get rid of those air bubbles. So let's stretch it out. I love all of this here. That's why I'm just trying to give it some composition. We have some cells coming up through that right here. So I'm going to go ahead and torch it and see if I can get a little more. It's going to change some as it dries. A couple of stubborn air bubbles. But I think that's it for this one. Very interesting corner with lacing and almost looks like an iris. And then, of course, we have this geode type edging. So this will change some as it dries. If you haven't subscribed yet, click below. Click on the bell for notifications. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join us on Facebook. Shop with us on Amazon for all your supplies. Paintings are available on Etsy. We also have a fan mail post office box now if you'd like to send us letters or cards, or if you'd like to send us supplies or gadgets to try, please feel free to do so. If you like some of my prints, they are available on Redbubble to have made into cell phone cases and pillows and stationery. So check that out as well. All the links are below. And also, Stone Coat Art Coat Resin is available through our channel. Just click on the links, use the code CWA, all in caps, and you'll get $30 off your $80 order. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we will see you on the next one. Bye now.